Introducing the 2022 Subaru Outback. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Have a look at this remarkably capable and practical Subaru Outback, the compact SUV with an adventurous spirit. Elevated road clearance, all-wheel drive, and impressive towing capacity help you make the most of every excursion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, navigation system, moonroof, all-wheel drive, moonroof. Get the capability you've been dreaming of in this Outback. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.